This video is going to teach you how to improve, increase, and boost your audio quality of your videos. Now, after you are done editing your video, the first thing you need to do is to obviously play back your video.
The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known to be true or possible.
And then you're going to scroll all the way back down to the end of the video right here, and then delete this CapCut outro right here. Now, when you're done deleting that, what you need to do is first of all highlight the video and then obviously increase the volume.
The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known to be true or.
When you're done doing that, because you want to boost your audio, this is what you're going to do. You're going to highlight the video again and scroll all the way down until you find enhance voice. Now, when you find your enhance voice, you need to click on it. Enhance voice is actually a pro feature. Not everybody's going to have access to it, but this is where the magic happens. All you need to do is activate enhance voice. And wait for it to apply.
The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known to be true or possible.
Perfect. Because you cannot export this video with this feature right now, this is what you are going to do. You're going to go to your screen and activate your screen recorder. I'm already recording this video. I'm already recording my screen, so I cannot record while I am recording. Do you get? But I'm scrolling down just so you can see. This is how you're going to scroll down, look for your screen recorder somewhere, and then start recording your screen. You're going to take it all the way back to the beginning of your project, and then you play while you are recording your screen.
The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known to be true or possible.
Once you are done playing that, you stop your screen recording, of course, and then you're going to click on overlay, and it will take you to your gallery where all your files are, and you are going to look for the file. Then when you bring it in, I'm going to show you two different styles, two different methods on how to go about this. The first method is to hide the overlay, just like that. Just use your finger to drag it down. Then you are going to activate the overlay. Click on the overlay, go to volume, and then increase the volume.
The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known.
Perfect. So you can adjust the volume just the way you want it.
The ancient power awakens within this realm.
Perfect. This is one method on how to go about it. All right. But then if you do not want to hide it like that, you bring it back and you are going to, of course, click on the overlay, and you are going to scroll down on the tools bar. What you are looking for right now is extract audio. Now, extract audio is also a pro feature. So if you do not have the extract audio, you're still going to better use the first method that I told you, just hide the overlay. But if you have extract audio, you extract your audio, you can see your audio is right here. And then the next thing you want to do is to go back and find your overlay, click on it.
The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known to be true or possible.
So you're going to click on it and then you're going to delete the overlay. Okay. So when you're done doing that, now you have your audio from the improved, boosted version.
The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known to be true or possible. The ancient power awakens within this realm, spreading across the land and shifting the balance of everything we have ever known to be true or possible.
Another thing I forgot to mention is before you start this method, you should ensure to install a screen recorder. You go to your Play Store or your App Store to install a screen recorder before you start this method, because you cannot be able to record your screen or do any of the method that I just taught you without having a screen recorder. So make sure you do that. If you've started watching the video before, you can just stop, go back and install a screen recorder before you come back and finish the process, because my phone already have a screen recorder inbuilt inside of it. That is why I only needed to slide down from the top of my screen and activate the screen recorder and use it. You may not have the feature, so you would have to manually install a screen recorder just to be able to try out this method, but it works perfectly well. That is why I use for majority of my videos, and my audio has been awesome. People keep asking me, what mic do you use? How do you get your audio done? This is the perfect way to do it. So go do it and then tell me in the comments.